Fish on! I love to fish for striped bass, and I do it all different kinds of ways. Live bait, you name it, but plugging, surface plugs, where they come up and crash it, to me that's the best. That is the most fun way to catch a striped bass. It's the most exciting type of fishing. I got a fish on right now. He hit that plug, crashed it, and now I'm fighting him in a hard current. Nothing like it. There's nothing like it in the world. The best way to catch a striped bass. Most exciting. This is a great outfit. I got a Rogue 9-foot. Actually, it's a surf rod, a 200-pound stall, 20-pound Suffix high-vis line, and I'm fishing a Gibbs metal lip Danny plug. What a combination. This is a nice fish. I've been working this fish. You know, we got wind with current. He hit it, took off, stripped a lot of line, but eventually they tire, short pumps of the rod, little side pressure, and you'll get those fish to move, come up against the current. But you do need some stout tackle. This is a respectable fish. Notice at the end, my terminal tackle, I'm using 60-pound Suffix fluorocarbon. Little barrel swivel. A lot of times they hit the plug and they turn, they wrap up, they get into that leader. You gotta have something to control them near the boat. This is a nice fish. Looks like about 20 pounds. Maybe a tad more. Wow. Sweet fish. Once you get hold of that leader, you gotta hang on. This is a very dangerous part right now. All of those treble hooks. I like to use my boga grip. Just get them on a lip. Get them in a boat. Wow, that's actually a nice fish. He's about 25. And that's it. He's in great shape, this fish. Real pretty fish, nice and clean. Great fight. You hook them on the plugs, you know, you don't really damage them. They don't get a hook down the throat or a bait down in the belly. And you can usually release them in really, really good shape. This is a super fish, nice. 25 pounds. Actually 26 pounds. Nice quality fish on a plug. He's in great shape. Okay, baby.